Hello everyone, I am Zainab, a summer intern under Lexis & Company. So in today's video, we'll discuss about cryptocurrency in COVID era. So let's start our video. So what is cryptocurrency basically? So in earlier times, users had to give away too much personal data while doing the transaction, like bank account details, IFSC code, address, name, etc., which is very vulnerable and even hackers can easily access the data, due to which number of scams were happening. Okay, so in 2008, a Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonymous personality till now, no one knows about him. He developed Bitcoin on a blockchain technology. It is a decentralized technology, so no one will know about so there are no intermediaries involved. Okay, like in Paytm, Google Pay, uh, when we transfer money, so it goes through the Paytm and Google Pay. So, but in Bitcoin, when a user sends the money or information, it will directly transfer to the receiver. No intermediaries are involved. Okay, so safest option, right? But no. So क्या हुआ, ये 2008 में आया. ओके, आफ्टर दैट नंबर ऑफ केसेस हैपन लाइक स्कैम्स एक्सेट्रा, बिकॉज नो वन नोज कि हैक कौन कर रहा है. माइनिंग होती है, हैश फंक्शन डेवलप होता है, बट नो वन नोज how people breach it and whatever it is happening inside the game. Okay, so last year only in July, Twitter hack happened. Everyone knows about it. It's the biggest scam ever happened. Even Twitter was not able to handle the situation for like quite some time, 1 weekend etc. तो क्या हुआ कि 17 years old boy using social engineering, like social engineering, when a person like and when a hacker, वो अपने अटैक अपने विक्टिम से बात करता है अच्छे से, उसका दोस्त बनता है और इसके बाद इंफॉर्मेशन लेता है पर्सनल. ओके, सो व्हाट डिड ही डू, वो ऐसे ही उसने ट्विटर पे जो एम्प्लॉयज़ थे उनका दोस्त बना. ही टुक द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड लेटर एट नाइट ही उसने पूरा डेटा ब्रीच कर दिया ट्विटर उस कंपनी का. एंड he hacked the Twitter accounts of top celebrities like Jeff Bezos, Donald Trump, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Kim Kardashian West. एंड इस ट्विटर हैक में क्या लिखा कि आप उनके ट्विटर से ट्वीट कर दिया सब लोगों को कि एक लिंक भेजा जिसके साथ ऊपर लिखा था कि क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक, वी आर गिविंग अवे अवर मनी, सो जो भी इन्वेस्ट करेगा उसको डबल द इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट मिलेगी. सो नाइस अप्रोच, राइट. लोगों ने क्या किया, जल्दी जल्दी वहाँ पे पैसा डाल दिया और इसके बाद में पता चला कि इट इज़ अ हैक. वो लोग है ही नहीं, बाद में बहुत इशू हुआ था. And they defrauded $121 million of Bitcoin. So how much value is that, you all know. And later, and he was a 17-year-old boy, so you know. So this was the biggest scam. And later this year only in April, Thodex scam came. It is a Turkish company, crypto exchange company, Thodex. So इसका जो founder है फारूक फती ओजर, they he and his brother, they defrauded 3,90,000 investors of 2 billion bitcoins. Okay, so and later they fled the Turkey, and you just get to know about this when they were not able to access their accounts. So बहुत इशू बन गया था. एंड देन लेटर तुर्की दिस ईयर ओनली दे बैन द रेगुलेशन ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसी इन देयर कंट्री. सो दीज आर द ओनली 2 स्कैम्स. इससे और भी ज़्यादा बहुत सारे स्कैम्स हुए इन कोविड टाइम ओनली. एंड इवन 2008 से लेके अभी तक इतने सारे स्कैम्स हो चुके हैं. वेल, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट. सो लेटर व्हाट हैपेंड कि एज वी ऑल नो कि लास्ट ईयर फेब्रुअरी में क्रिप्टो करेंसी की वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा कम थी. अगर इन फेब्रुअरी ओनली इट वाज अराउंड $4,000. ओके, 1 Bitcoin was $4,000. बट एंड देर आर नंबर ऑफ अदर क्रिप्टो करेंसीज लाइक Ethereum, Dogecoin and several other. So like till now, as a data of January 2021, there are more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies. Okay, so what happened कि last year in February and March the value was very low, but later what happened, Elon Musk, you all know, he tweeted that now his company will be accepting Bitcoin as a payment for the Tesla cars. नाइस मास्टर स्ट्रोक राइट. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, बिटकॉइन की वैल्यू इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. इट वॉज $4,000 एंड इट rose to 50 to 20%. After that, in COVID era, states were going into recession, so the government gave the money to the citizens to use. In India also, RBI and our government only, they give the it's called liquidity, under which government give the money, citizens to the money, and later it gets back to them only in form of profits. So what happened in US, FED did this, they gave the money as normal, okay, but in India they give it in a form of loan, like a 15 to 20 lakhs loan to MSMEs with no interest rates. So लोगों ने अपना पूरा पैसा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मार्केट क्रिप्टो करेंसीज में लगा दिया. उसकी फिर क्या हुआ, क्रिप्टो करेंसी की वैल्यू फिर से बढ़ गई. एंड देन लेटर कॉइन बेस, इट इज़ अ क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज कंपनी ऑफ US. इट गॉट लिस्टेड इन द न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मार्केट. इसके बाद तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी की वैल्यू इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई दैट इट्स वैल्यू वॉज $63,000 अभी, लाइक इन लास्ट मंथ ओनली. So you know the hike, right? But what happened, Elon Musk recently he tweeted that now his company has stopped taking Bitcoin as a payment because of environmental hazards. So guys, you know what, mining of one Bitcoin takes a very high amount of energy, which is equivalent to the energy combined of Netflix, YouTube, Google. So lot of energy, environmental hazards and etc. And later, like, how are we regulating how do we know the value of one Bitcoin? As we all know, there are in total 22 million of Bitcoins could be mined, and till now 18 billion Bitcoins have been mined. So in what respect are people calculating the value of one Bitcoin? Secondly, China has banned the regulation of cryptocurrency in the country, and India also, we don't have any regulatory body to regulate this cryptocurrency, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर्स हो गए थे. उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट और RBI ने 2018 में बोला कि आपको अगर करना है इन्वेस्टमेंट तो आप करो, लेकिन हम लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं होंगे, और इंडिया में कोई भी बॉडी नहीं है, ओके. एंड लेटर व्हाट हैपेंड, तुर्की ऑल्सो इन दिस ईयर अप्रैल ओनली दे बैन क्रिप्टो करेंसी. So environmental hazards and the value fluctuate होती है because of the tweets of top businessmen like Elon Musk. After his tweet, value right now the value is $36,000 one Bitcoin, but yesterday only the value rose by 15 to 20%. So like, on what basis are we regulating the value? Is it safe? And with so much uncertainty, how can we determine the future of cryptocurrency in the world? Is it really safe, guys? I know from a computer science background, it is the safest option, but still use it, but with the prior knowledge and proper information. Don't invest blindly, okay? Thank you and have a nice day.